Kuohwo kia miaka 30 nikio gikundikitwo mundurume umwe wa miaka 26 thutha wa cira guthikiririo na kuonekana niekuruhanitie na njuragano ya mutungatiri wa kanitha wa Gatoreki mwena wa Embu muthiaini wa mwaka wa 2019. Mbere ya mucirithania Njuguna Maiko Muthini hamwe na ekuirwo Ngieri mathitangĩirwo mahitia ma kuhahama kimwiri mutungatiri, kuragana, kuruta na guthamiria mbeca cia mutungatiri akaunti-ini ingi, gwitahira indo cia mutungatiri iria ni hamwe na ngari gatagati-ini ka mangi.
An innocent life was lost through his heinous crime. There was no justification whatsoever for committing the offense. And even assuming that the deceased was sodomized as he alleged.
Kuringana na family ya mutigaire riri riari igutha inene kurio kuona niwe wa marugamagirira kimuturire na mbere yaonekete ari mukuo ambite kwagwo kwa ihinda na gucoka kuonekana ari mukuo ndere-ini cia rũĩ rwa mbere ya muhuro guku magitariria matingĩciririe undu tocio kuona ndari na uru na mundu na atungatagira andu othe.
Father alikuwa anategemewa na kanisa lake, the congregant wake, na walimpoteza, walikuwa wanampenda. Kwa hivyo it was very unfair.
Kuringana na mucirithania njuragano iyo yahanikire tariki 8 mweri wa 10 mwaka wa 2019 itura-ini ria Makima gicigo-ini kia mbere, ona gutuika ekuirwo acio makinyio igoti-ini mweri wa 11 mwaka-ini ucio ni mareganire na thitango.
Justice has been served for the last 2 years since the case started to date. It's not a long time, and we appreciate that the judiciary did not take long to make the point of judgment or the sentence given to him.
The family is still very bitter and frustrated, as the deceased was the sole breadwinner and the only healthy member of the family.
Mwikuirwo uyu ona gukiri uguo ni atikirire thitango agitetera kuhitukira wakiri wake na njira ya kuga atabanirie ngero iyo kumana na marakara maria ari namo, ona gutuika ndeto ino niteaneirio ni igoti.
Kesi ambayo imekaa mahakamani kwa muda na uamuzi wa koti hali tutakubaliana nao.
Taken into account the time that he has spent in custody when before he was released on board and when we cancelled his board after he absconded.
Cira wa Ngieri aria ni hamwe na mwikuirwo Kavivia Mwangangi undumwe na Solomon Wabua utanyitwo gugathikiririo tariki 17 mweri ukite. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.